In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Facebook Messenger to access microphone and camera on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down until you find the Messenger app. Here it is. Sorry. Then just get into Messenger settings, and that's where you can give permissions for Messenger app to be able to use your device microphone and camera. All you have to do is just turn on that switchers next to microphone and the camera. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.